Hi there, in this video we're going to be talking about another one of our widgets. It's the icon widget. So what I've got here is I've set up a blank page. I've put a border around the column so you can see where I'm going to be dragging the widget. That way it just makes it easier for me to actually show it on a video. Normal columns would not come with this border around it unless you wanted to add with them. So we click on add widgets to the left hand side, and over here we have the icon widget. So what we can do is grab the icon widget and put it in the box or the column that we've actually got set up on the page. And what it does is it automatically pops up a settings dialog box for the icon. Now, you can choose to actually close this straight away just by clicking somewhere on the page, or you can actually start customizing the icon however you want to start. What I'm going to show you how to show you first is customizing from the settings box, and then we'll actually look at some of these icons, some of these menu items along here for your icon. So the first thing to do is click on the actual icon, and this will give you hundreds of different icons you can actually put on your page. We've got everything from motorcycles to bowls to ambulances to radiation to vehicles and buildings and pizza slices and stop and starts and all sorts of icons. You could go on forever looking through these icons to find the right one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a check mark. So I'm going to go in the search box here. We're going to go check, and we've got a number of different checks. I'm going to go for this. Let's go for the check in a box. Okay, so what you see, the icon has actually changed from check in a box. So we can see on the video a little bit easier. I am going to make the icon bigger. It's completely up to you what size you do it, but it goes up to 84 pixels. And obviously, if you went to the bottom, it would be down in a very small 8 pixels. So let's do it 84 just so you can see what I'm doing. You can change the color of the icon to anything you want, especially if you're doing branding with your site. You can choose one of your brand colors, it will change it. Any color you want. You can actually through the scale or use the RGB here. Let's change it to the main color there, and then you've got the opportunity to open on click. I'm not going to do that right now, but you have the ability to create the icon as a clickable object, and you'll see that we talked about linking to pages, anchor points, etc. in the one of our other videos that talks about the buttons. Okay, so we showed you how to use a button to click, for people to click and connect to different assets within your system or outside your system. I'm not going to show you that one today. So what we've done here is created the icon. However, it's over on the left hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click on the icon, and you'll see we've actually got settings across the top here. The settings button itself takes you back to where we just were, right? You can change the icon again, change the size, change the color, add a link. With the other buttons, we've actually got edit link, so you can literally just pick a link to actually connect to without going to the settings box. And then what we can do is align it, so we can actually align it left, center, or right. I'm going to put it right in the center here so you can actually see it better. We can copy it, so if you created an icon that you're going to have in multiple places on the page, you can click on copy. This will actually add it to your little copy or saved blocks and elements. Saved, there's nothing there, but if you click on copied, it will show you the icon that we've just copied there. You can then choose to actually save the icon in your account if you're going to use it a lot on different pages, or you can actually just drag it from here wherever you want somewhere else and add it to other blocks and pages that way. And then the final option is to delete the icon. Icons give you a lot of flexibility when you're creating designs, looks and styles. For example, if you actually had a course and you wanted to talk about the 3 videos, 4 PDFs and a few other documents, you can actually create icons by the headings to give people a visual image of what they're actually getting within the course. A lot of flexibility with the icons, and just remember that you can customize these any way you want. That's it for the icons. I will see you on the next video.